I'm the Magic Marine, a Royal Marines Commando and Special Forces medic turned professional performer.
Neil Johnson, thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen.
We're two Viking brothers about to start a motorbike adventure in the tyre tracks of history spiced with magic and myth. Early on in life, we divided up between us the brains and the brawn. We're now combining our passions for
travel,
adventure,
magic,
history and motorbikes.
And along the way I'm going to be performing magic in the local villages that we're passing through. Marco's going to be retelling the history of the route that we're on.
Think of us as a kind of two-man Indiana Jones on an adventure of mountains, motorbikes, magic and myth.
What?
You winked, didn't you?